good morning. As this chapter comes to an end, I want to say that not everything about our journey was perfect, but that's what made it unforgettable. It wasn't just the good moments that we will remember, it's also the overwhelming days and pressure. Yet we still made it through together. I want to thank everyone, especially the people who have been with me since the very beginning. I'm grateful to share this experience with those important people. My friends, teachers, and family. I thank you all for your continuous support. Even though this chapter is ending, with some of us transferring to different schools, I know that the memories we made will always stay in our hearts. I know that one day I'll look in my yearbook and say, wow, we really had something special. I'm sad that this chapter is ending, but I'm happy that I got to experience it. Because I know that the memories I've made will always be in my heart. I also know that this time with these people is something I'll never get to repeat. So maybe it wasn't perfect, but it was ours. And now it's time to start a new chapter. I thank you all and thank and congratulations to all of us.